Good morning, friends. Namaste. I'm Dr. Kirti Kanodia and welcome to Toshni Institute. Today we are going to give you tarot predictions for May last week. So, Aries, for you, the card is saying, don't look at the missed opportunities. It is talking about not to look at missed opportunities, but rather look that there are so many opportunities coming on your way. So whatever you have missed. Don't worry about that. That was just only one point, one opportunity, but you're getting multiple opportunities where you can grow and you can also allow your life to, take a turn where you want it to be. So look at the greater of what you are or what you can be, and also look at the different opportunities that is coming up for you, and whatever you have missed in past, just let it go. It's over. So don't think much about it. Taurus, for you, the card is new starts. So here, universe is telling you that there are a lot of new things, new openings, new doors coming for you. It could be in a form of relationship. It could be in a form of, basically more of relationship and movement and, harmonious things in your life. But it could also be, new projects, maybe new jobs, new places. So whatever you're trying to start new in your life, or if you think that you need to start everything new in your life, do that, because this is the right time for the new things, new starts and new opportunities. After Taurus, now it is Gemini. Universe is telling you that move, spread your arms and move. See where you can expand yourself professionally, especially where you can expand yourself, because there's a lot of opportunities waiting for you where you need to expand. So expand as much as possible, because if you're expanding, you will see a lot of growth coming up in your life, and you're going to allow the flow of income also in your life. So just expand yourself. See where you have not tapped, where you can explore, where you can, and you see where are the opportunities waiting for you, because there's lot of opportunities waiting for you. So next is Cancerian. You're feeling as if you have not been rewarded with what you're supposed to be. You're still waiting, and things are not moving for you. If you feel this, then you have to switch. You have to switch your thoughts completely. Stop thinking that you have to receive from somewhere or someone. Start thinking that you have so much from the universe that you are in a place of giving. So see where you're stopping yourself to give. Or maybe you're showing ego while giving. Or maybe you're giving with, heart. You're not able to, use your heart. Maybe you're, very hard on yourself while giving to someone. So think about it, because something that you're doing is coming back to you. So this is the opportunity for you to just give. Do a lot of donation if you are able to do, according to whatever you can do. And when you do the donation, start feeling that you have so much vibe that you can share with the people around you, people who are in need. When you do that, you are also receiving tenfolded in your life. So start giving with the heart, with that happiness within you. And after that, you will see that you will start receiving also from the universe lot of flow of money in your life. Leo, for you, the card is, the universe is asking you to go towards the family, get connected to the family and be loyal to your family. This family could be your spouse, this could be your children, this could be your parents, it could be your grandparents, or it could be your workplace. So see where you're not able to connect and feel the harmony with. Because connecting to the roots, connecting to the family is very important for you, for your growth and for your movement. There's a lot of loyalty that is looking here that you have to show. And if you feel that things are not connecting enough, it's okay. Don't go physically and connect, but you can also do it mentally. Feel that love, feel that happiness mentally within your life, within yourself, because connecting to the roots, connecting to the family will give you a lot of growth and support towards your life. Yeah. So next is Virgo. Virgo, this universe is saying there's a lot of negativity around you. you have to really think about what is happening around you, because there's a lot of negativity, lot of anger, lot of rage inside and outside you. So somewhere you have to release it out and you have to let it go. The more you release it out, the more you let go, clear up your energies, then only you're going to see the light within you. Sit, meditate, release the negativity, release the negative thoughts, release the negative emotions from you, and just bring positivity and light within you. Try to understand what is happening and get aware of the energies around you, because you have to release the negativity and also the evil eyes of the people that is there within, and it is also blocking your life and it is also blocking your finances here. Libra, it is talking about there's lot of things emotionally going on within you. So instead of suppressing your emotions, just let it go, release it out. If you're suppressing your emotions, what you're doing here, you're suppressing yourself. So don't suppress yourself just because you have so much responsibility on you, or you want to prove to the world that how good and how nice you're taking responsibilities. But also you are responsible enough for your own self. Okay? So just go within you and see where you're suppressing a lot of emotions. And if you feel that it is not working for you, let it go, because holding on it is not anyways working for you. Okay? Scorpio, there's lot of financial growth, lot of finances seen in your energy, lot of finances coming up. Already you have lot of finances and you'll be seeing lot of finances also. You have to take care of your finances. Don't just waste it as you wanted to. Okay? Take care of your finances as much as possible and try to invest at the right places. That is going to help you a lot. Okay? Sagittarius, for you, the universe is asking that you need to understand where your authority is. You need to understand that where you need to behave maturely, or maybe where you need to know where you need to fight back. So don't always fight back, or don't always just try to behave, okay, these things will happen on its own. You need to know the balance between where you have to be quiet and understand your maturity, where silent is the weapon, but somewhere you should also know where you have to fight back, and fighting is the weapon for you. So just bring that balance of being and also about feeling about it. And don't forget to, be into your authoritative position, because when you have taken the responsibility, you have to fulfill those responsibilities no matter what. Okay? Capricorn. So Capricorn, universe is asking you to take care of your house affairs in the sense household needs. Yeah? So universe is asking you to take care of, maybe you might be very busy with your finances, you might be very busy with your work, you might be very busy handling a lot of things around you, but this is the time also to take care of yourself and your family. So put little focus on your family as well and see what is needed in the family. Sit with the family, give that quality time. We are not asking you to give 24/7 to the family, but at least 1 or 2 hours, whatever is feasible for you, give that time and spend that time to the family and get connected with your personal life too. Next is Aquarius. This is a card. So here universe is asking you to stop doing many things together. Don't do many things together. Just do one by one. Don't think that you're missing out to so many things in your life. Just feel that, whatever you have, get satisfied with that. Because when you bring satisfaction, when you bring integrity, that is the time you will see that, you are giving space for more of satisfaction. So don't think that you're missing out to something. Just think that you're fulfilled. The more you will be fulfilled, the more you will feel good about your life. So bring that fulfilledness inside you. Get satisfied about your life and allow yourself to feel happy about it. Pisces, for you, this is the card. So here, when this card is coming up, universe is asking you to stop juggling. Stop balancing so many things in your life. Take a break and relax. Okay? Don't always think that you have to balance, you have to do, you have to, arrange everything, you have to be a perfectionist. It is not needed. Just relax, take a break, take a chill pill, yeah? And just do whatever you can do, and also make sure that you're spreading out the work or you're taking the help. It's okay to have support and do it collectively. And it is also okay to just relax and allow people to work. Whatever suits you, go with it, but stop taking so much on your head. Whether you're there, you're not there, life will move in others people, right? It's not that if you're there, then only life will move. If you're not there, then also life will move. It will not stop. So just relax and give some time to yourself and understand where you need your own energies. Okay? So this is what for today. Again, we'll see you next week with another reading. Till then, stay happy, be safe, and take care. Namaste.